Hey, what's up everybody, that guy Skimpy. Hey, I get asked all the time how I get underwater footage, like how do I keep my camera down there? And man, I'm gonna show you guys what I do. It's actually pretty simple, man. So if you want some footage that looks like this, then this is how you do it. Oh my God! Look at it! Bingo mode. This is the 5-inch one. Okay, first of all, you're gonna need a, I think they call them marker buoys. I don't know, it's like $9-10. And then obviously you're gonna need your GoPro. And then if you notice here, I have this little contraption. What this was is this was a computer monitor stand, and it's kind of weighted, and that's why I used it. And then I just put a screw here, and then I put the string, and then set it down in the water, and if I need to turn it, I kind of, you know, take the string, do like that under the water. So sometimes it's actually hard to get it into place. But if you notice that I painted the stand red, I originally had it camouflage, so I figured, you know, I didn't want the fish to be able to see it in the water, but they're gonna see it anyway. But I figured, you know, let's try to have it blend in. Well, there'll be some times where I couldn't really see it, and I you know, counted on the marker buoy to be able to tell me where the camera was. Well, so I got tired of that. So what I did is, me and my buddy Tyler, we were fishing this one super stained lake, and there was beds, and I wanted to be able to see this. What I did is I spray painted it red, and I'll tell you what, ever since I spray painted it red, a lot of the times the bass will actually come up because now they're interested, they can see it or whatever, and they didn't do that as much as when it was camouflage. So yeah, I recommend doing it red for sure. All right, so that's basically all there is to it. So you just have a your marker buoy, and you know, when you put your camera in, you can see where your camera's at. So basically what I did is, you know, when you put it down, you know, obviously you hit record on your GoPro, put it down, and then you see your marker buoy, and then I kind of back off a little bit, and then I wait a little bit, and then I come back, and then I figure, you know, maybe the bass is going to come back to the bed by that time. I will tell you this, that I've done this probably 100 times, and I probably got a quarter of them where it's actually worth, you know, any good footage, because a lot of the time, you know, debris will go up and it will just go right above it. Or the other problem is you have to place it exactly where you think you'll catch the fish. So you don't want to put it directly on the bed, because you're gonna the camera's not gonna catch you. The camera's not gonna show you catching the bass, you know. So you got to kind of back it up a little bit. And like I said, man, it's a hard thing, but you know, the more and more you do it, the better you get at it. I'm still trying to perfect it myself, man. But I got a couple good underwater videos, man. Anyways, all right. Hopefully you guys liked the video, man. That guy Skimpy.
do-it mold. This is the 5-inch.